Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create a job estimate on Freshbooks. So this is going to be particularly useful for people who offer services or sell things, and when it comes to actually them sending job estimates to their customers. So what you're going to first do is go onto your Freshbooks account, which looks like this right here, and then on the left hand side you're going to scroll down on the navigation bar. Okay, so when you scroll down on the navigation bar, so on the left hand side you're going to see this option here called estimate. So go ahead and click on estimates. Now once you reach this page, you're going to click on this create new button, and so you have two different options here. You can either create an estimate, which is the list of the services you provide and their cost, or you can create a proposal. So my interpretation of the difference between these two is that proposals are more showy. They're more for, I'd say, larger services or product being purchased. But with proposals, you could add customized content such as like images and attachments just to make the proposal more appealing. So in my case though, I do tend to use estimates most of the time just because the customer is already sold on the service or item. So let's go ahead and click on estimate, and then from here you can actually drag and drop your logo. You can input who the estimate is for, so you can select the client here. If you don't have a client added to your Freshbooks account just yet, you can click on create a client. You can set the estimate date, but you can also change that by clicking on this calendar icon here. So we can set it for tomorrow. Estimate number, we'll just actually go ahead and use 9876. And then from here, you can actually scroll down, and then under the description is where you're going to add your items or services. So if we click on add a line, we can say here video editing times one video, and then we can set the rate to, let's say, $500 for a video. So you can keep adding more items here. So if you click on editing, you can say voiceovers times one video, and then add another $50 here. So once you actually have your estimate filled out, you can also enter some notes here. You can enter some terms and conditions just by clicking there, and then you can write in the information there as well. You can click on save, which is kind of like the same thing as saving an estimate as a draft, or you can click on send to. So if you click on send to, it's normally going to send it to the client that you have prepared here. So with that client, every client on Freshbooks actually has an email attached to them. So once you actually click on send to, that is actually how you send an estimate to the client. So in essence, that is how you create a job estimate on Freshbooks. If you know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.